What's good, YouTube? Check it out, man. I'm actually here in San Antonio, Texas. I'm here for the Worldclass Barber Expo. It's going down tomorrow. Well, when y'all watch this, it probably won't be the next day, but I'm gonna be here. I'm actually giving a class, Beyond the Chairs, my social media class. I'm giving that class tomorrow at Worldclass Barber Expo. So I actually pulled up to the Worldclass Barber Studio, the barbershop. I'm gonna be here for a little bit, cutting a little bit of heads, getting some content, but let's go ahead and walk in. And I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all around the shop and introduce y'all to some of the people in Worldclass Barber Studio. Let's get it. They got the nice logo. Them boys working.
Yes, sir.
They ready for the expo.
Ever since we subscribed to Disney Plus and Hulu, movie nights can happen in the comfort of our home.
Check it out, man. This is gonna be the capes for the Worldclass Barber Expo.
Yes, sir.
Sheesh.
Please, let's go.
How you feeling, Izzy? How you feeling?
I'm feeling good, feeling good. Man, y'all see the capes, man? Yeah, come on now. Yes, sir. What's up? It's clean. Yeah.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Man, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I was gonna show y'all my setup. I'm still gonna show y'all my setup, but I already cut a few people, I think 3 or 4. But I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff that I brought. All right, so this is some of the stuff I brought. Check it out, man. Like I said, I have been cutting a little bit, but I brought these black Low Pro FX1s. I'm gonna be honest, man. This is the first time I've actually used these. And the reason why I brought my FX1s, Low Pro FX1 trimmer, but like I was saying, the reason why I actually brought these is because I didn't want to bring any plugs, any cords, so I just brought a bunch of batteries, right? I should be good with all these batteries. You know, I got the red shaver, got a battery in there. I got the red Babyless FX1 battery in there. Got the trimmer with the DLC blade, battery in there. I let all these charge up overnight, so they're ready to go for the day. And I even got me an extra battery right here. So I brought that. I got my Babyless premium guards in here, what I've been using. Got some combs. I got a kid's cape in here in case I do cut a kid. And then up here, I have me some shears. I got me some thinning shears right here. Got me my Hanzos, my little 5.5 shears. Just a regular straight blade. Little face brush. And then I got me some iced out products. This is the iced out pomade. I got the iced out hair powder, little neck duster, some aftershave, JRL squirt bottle, and then my Cool Care. And you know your boy also brought the camera, the big one. I ain't used it yet, to be 100% honest. I ain't used it yet, but I got the zoom lens. I got the 55mm lens, so it's zoomed in right now. But I brought that just in case. And then I also brought me my favorite barber hair enhancements with the enhancement gun. You know how your boy get down. But yeah, man, that's basically what I brought today with me. But like I said, I did a couple haircuts today already so far. So yeah, man. Shout out to my boy Izzy, Worldclass Barber Studio. Y'all know what it is, man. If y'all in San Antonio, Texas, y'all come check him out. Hey, Izzy, you need some barbers? Hey, my man Izzy said he needs some barbers. So if you in San Antonio, Texas, and you need a barber shop to cut in, come holler at my man Izzy at Worldclass Barber Studio. Y'all know what it is, man. Get off the phone, man. Nah, we're oh, they jamming outside. Man, get out
bro,
my camera,
this guy was recording my fucking 5-head when he was cutting my hair.
Oh, we got you on camera.
Bro, wet as fuck.
We got
to the
you.
side.
We got that thin. Hey, man. Hey, show the haircut, man. Don't be like that.
It's cruised.
Alright, man, so today is the day of the expo. Yesterday, after I was at World Class Barber Studios cutting hair, we had a little mixer. Y'all saw a little footage of the mixer. I didn't get too much footage, man. I was just, just mingling with the people there, talking to people. People were asking questions about the battle, what we're going to be judging on. How do I think it was going to go? Do I think they had a chance type stuff, you know what I'm saying? But it was a really great experience. It was a really great event. Shout out to Izzy and his boys at World Class Barber Studio. They threw it down on the grill, made some food. So it was pretty dope, man. I got back to the room at around 11. Crashed out, but now I'm up, ready to go, ready to head to this Barber Expo, ready to drop some knowledge about creating content and social media, right? So, your boy is big on creating content and social media. Obviously, y'all watching this video because y'all like my content. But long story short, I'm gonna drop a little bit of knowledge during this class. And then for the expo, originally I was supposed to be a judge, but I was talking to my man Rick. He's one of the guys who helped put the event together, Rick from Blurred by the Bay. He told me he wants me to basically co-host as well. So I'd rather co-host / host than judge. That's just me, being honest with y'all. So hopefully I can do that because I just like being on the mic. Y'all know I like to talk. So with that being said, man, I'm about to head over there. Education starts in about 30 minutes. I'm about to head over there and check it out. Get some more footage for y'all. And if you made it this far in this video, make sure to hit that like button and comment World Class down in the comments. That way I know you made it this far in the video, and I greatly appreciate y'all for watching. But yeah, man, let's go see what this event is talking about. All right, man, check it out. We're here, Worldclass Barber Expo. Education going on right now. They teaching on stage, doing a haircut. So people setting up right now, obviously, before the expo. It's not too crazy, but I'm hoping this thing is crazy later on. Like I told y'all earlier, your boy is gonna be helping host this event. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited to just link up with all the people coming to this expo. I'm excited to see all the new faces, and I'm excited just to be a host of this expo, because that's what I like to do. But we got my man on stage giving a class. Give y'all a little bit of, you know, show y'all what he's doing up there.
Okay. So, for competition purposes, real quick,
we got a couple vendors in the building right now. Not all of them are here yet, but I'm just gonna walk y'all through some of them before the expo starts, before shit gets really crazy, man. Hey, one time for the one time, man. Shout out to my man Rick, the Blurred Barber. Check this out. Check this out. It's going down, baby. It's going down. Blurred by the Bay. Check it out. I know my camera's a little sideways, but Blurred by the Bay, man. Check that out right there. It's going down July 27th, Corpus Christi, Texas. Your boy will be in the building, co-host. I don't know if y'all can read that right there, but it says co-host. Shout out to Papito Bless Hands, Cherry, Slay, Quality Over Quantity, J. Armando, Luke Knowles. You know, everybody who's gonna be showing up to this event. Shout out to them, man. They still setting up right here. They still setting up right there. They gonna have a big ass box. Or what y'all got going on?
Oh, you're about to see.
Well, okay, we about to see it. We're gonna come back in a little bit. They about to shut their presentation down. Shout out to my man Slay. We got a House of Slay right here, Slay Apparel, Sneaker Tier 1 Boutique. Got the shoes, got the shirts. Shout out to my man Slay, man. They got all these tees, they got cutoffs, man. They got, I like this one. Oh, that's a female shirt. I like that color though. But check it out, man. Shout out to Slay. Shout out to my man Mustafa at Organsky. Hey, this right here, this finna take over the game. Y'all hearing it on my channel first. This right here, this shave gel, finna take over the game. Hey, these aftershaves finna take over the game. Y'all hearing it first on my channel, Organsky, baby. Y'all check them out. Mike. All right, guys. Check it out, we finna get into this. So if you wanna learn a little bit about social media, creating content, y'all make sure to come take a seat. Remember, this is gonna be an engaging course, so if y'all have any questions, any comments, any concerns, feel free to ask me while I'm going through it, all right? Oh shit. Yo, hey, one time real quick. I'm recording for a YouTube video. So I want to hear y'all get loud real quick. Can y'all get loud for me real quick? We're going to be posting this on YouTube. So on the count of 3, I need y'all to get loud for me, all right? All right, can we do that? Can we do that on the count of 3? All right, hold on. Let me get over here real quick. Let's get over here. Worldclass Barber Expo. Y'all know what it is going down. 1, 2, 3. Y'all know what it is, baby. It's going down San Antonio, Texas. We out here, Worldclass Barber Expo. We got the student category going on right now. These students putting in work. Check them out, check them out. We got a great crowd out here, great vibes. Some great vendors in the building. Y'all know what it is, man. Once again, shout out my man Izzy. Shout out Worldclass Barber Expo, Worldclass Barber Studio. Y'all know what it is, man. It's going down. San Antonio, Texas. Make some noise for these student barbers. Hey, I'm checking out all these haircuts in the back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, I just walked to the back to check out the haircuts. Hey, those haircuts back there fire, bro. Them haircuts back there fire. Hey, them students went crazy.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
The judges got a hard one today.
Shout out my label.
Hey, have you been judging? Bro, I ain't seen you all day. Where you
You ain't
been?
been back here.
Bro, what you mean?
Taking in the trenches like us, right?
Bro, I'm leading the charge, bro.
By yourself, and then you go take a 30-minute break.
Bro, I had to eat, bro. I was hungry. Don't play with me. Real quick, man. World class champ, bro. Get the belt. How's that feel? How's that feel?
It feels nice in my hands.
It feels nice in my hands. Y'all see it, man. He came up, he showed out. Y'all know what it is.
You already know.